Hello, what's up, guys? How you doing? Today, day 32. Coding every single day until I achieve my goal, become a web developer. Yeah, today already, study around 3 hours. Be honest, in these 3 hours, just solve one problem. It's 3 hours solve for one problem, and I already solved it. Feel very happy. And right now we can continue diving. Okay, guys, let me take some water. I'll be back. Mm. Mm. Let's go, you guys. We're going to continue our process. I just go home. I just like from the beach. I just go to the beach and do some swim. Yeah, I don't know, pretty tired. We're going to continue. First thing first, we're going to analyze the. We're going to analyze what we just did. What the hell is this? Maybe non-needish. Replace in stain. In the order, we have around 2 deep 1, deep 2. Oh, good. Hello, guys. Okay. I just want to make sure the mic is good. Okay, so we're going to continue, right? Let's look at the order. Is that the first? Look at what is return. Okay, the first diff. It's pretty easy. Just some style right here. The 30% of the code usage from the is come from the Tailwind ZS is pretty annoying. Maybe I love to do ZS on another file. But when we do ZS on another file, the problem is we have to remember the class name and we have to like mm, think about, you know, um, the last the name of it is which is pretty annoying. So when you answer it right here is you don't need to think about the name of the class. You can just type for it. But the problem is that we tell this as with the people who not familiar with it, like me, it's pretty annoying. Okay, so you got what has this order. After we fetch exactly that item based on, wait a minute, let me check right now in the car. But we'll redirect. Dang. And you click on that button, that form is submit. We call this function, and this function send a request to the server. Uh, Request is the name, the form, the address. We use form entries to make the form data right here into one line. So you're gonna see right here the order right now. We want to override car. Chasing the for data dot com. I'm not sure about it. I'm not sure about it. Yes. After we have it started, we want to create orders based on the order right here. Again, the data right here is all the information that we just did from the form. And the order now is take all that information and uh, we override the card. Maybe we need to cancel out order to check. Okay, so the car right now, like you're going to see the car chasing dark cars. Hmm, this. Oh, all of that free chasing dark cars. Da 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 car. Hmm. But what the hell is chasing? What do we do like this? Okay. This capture is pretty hard. I'm not sure what it should. The order right now is override all the data. The data is the name, the phone, the address, and data dot car inside data. Why inside data we have Why we have a car right here? Data dot car. Damn, it's hard, bro. It's hard, to be honest. I don't know why we have the car right here. This is just a name, but the data. Why inside data we have a car? Damn, car. Damn. Then write a letter is more easier than staying. Why do we need you this one? Surrender the empty car? Okay, whatever. It's pretty annoying. I go out for 5 minutes, bro. Honestly, it's pretty hard. Um, yeah, but no problem. Hey guys, I'm back. I'm back. Or I can do some work during the work. I think about the solution. Dang, my neck now is not good. Okay, in the order right now, we want to let's check. Okay, this is the car, right? After we hold all the visa we want to fill the information. After we fill the information, we want to have the final information, which is the order right here. Okay, so the car, okay, we need to take the car from the store right here. But right here, let wait for me. The order is pretty confused. Hey, we're gonna close this up for a little bit. Look at the order right here. You're going to see that the deep one order is different with the car. Okay, so what is this where this come from? After we go to exactly the why it appear this one. I don't know. Random? Yeah, we want to after the form is submit. No, it's not the form is submit. Ladder, after um you are like the orders we after the when you go to the audio components, which is display, we have the loader function that fetch exactly the data from exactly this parameter audio ID, which is right here. We, we fetch exactly the order, yeah, the order from this data. And where do we get this data? I'm not sure about that, but damn. Okay, we're gonna use log the data to actually take the data because we already fetches right here, right? But we want to use log the data to take that information, and that information is right here. We have the ID, the status, priority price. What the hell? Oh, the price. Okay, all of these things right here, we want to put it in first the ID, we put it right here. Priority, status. Mm-hmm. Damn, I don't know what the hell is this. Okay, that is the first div. And the second div is this one, which is right here. It's pretty easy for the Tailwind ZS. What is delivering? Okay, we don't need to care about this one. Not a big deal. Okay, the tip number three right here is we want to take the car from the store. We want to render exactly what the hell that we just put in the car, right? Um, which is right here. We're going to put exactly what we put in the car, and we put that inside the other. Um, wait for a little bit. We want to put it right here. Ah, damn. Oh my God, it's already calculate the total price. Okay, how can we take it? It's pretty easy. We use damn. What the hell? Why we have the car inside the order? Damn. Damage. We want to watch what the hell is order. Yeah, we want to check what the hell is this one. The order is line. Okay, this line. We have the customer status, priority, car. Why do we have this? I'm not sure why we have a car right here. Hmm. But you know what? If we use um fonts we will use selector star. It's the same. It's gonna be the same results, you know. Star. I'm not sure why it's have the car right here, but damn. Our the name of the reductions. We want to take the car. We want to put it in the car. Like a car. Okay, we need to import this one for React Redux. Import this one from React Redux. Okay, right now we need to use. If we delete this one, no. We just want to comment it. We're gonna show you guys the same results right here. Let's go back. We have three car right here, right? It's going to be the same results. Order new. It's all new one. Okay, the same results right here. I don't know why, but I feel it's not enough space for me. Maybe I need a bigger one. I mean the screen. It's pretty small, you know. Like you guys see, is that the entire my screens, all of the motherfucking the words is pretty complex. Which is wherever I look at it, it's just all the name. Maybe I need a bigger one. Oh, new screen. I already have a new screen, you know. But how about a laptop? Um, okay, I just show you guys the car here is the same car and the star and our star theme. All of it here is letters. Oh my God. What? Okay, we already know that's the order right here. Let's have more the help because let's have the look at it. Chính Okay, you guys, said again that the order component right here is pretty complex, but we already analyzed this, right? The first div is pretty easy. We return this one. That is the first step. We take the information from the order, and the order come from, we fetch exactly the data from exactly this ID right here. Okay, so how can we fetch that ID? We use the locker function. Wherever this order components is on now, we're gonna have this get orders, and we fetch exactly the orders like based on the ID right here. Okay, after we fed that, we're gonna have the results as right here, and the results we have the ID status quantities, all the things that we need to put inside order component, which is right here. For the first step, you're going to see that If you guys never quit, you guys never fail. Whoever talks shit out there on the internet, the mysterious people you don't know about, don't give a shit about them. They just talk shit. They just want to get your attention. So they do all the dumb shit content to get your attention. So wherever you study, always the people say, oh, this not work, this bullshit, this not no longer important. This whatever the post come out to their mouth, just shut watch the content that you will feel grateful about what you did. I said, I said again, watch the content. You are what you consume, bro. So you have to think that you choose. I mean, whatever. Um, I mean that you have to choose the content to watch. Don't let yourself distracted by all of those speech, all of those people. You don't know them, and they are just people. They just have some followers. So what? Does not mean that they say all the things right. You have to believe in yourself, believe in this in your version. Where you did it until you fucking make it. It's not just stop when you fucking didn't have the results and you say you're gonna a lot of information about your niche that is not good, blah blah blah. Shut them up. Go me. You know exactly what I mean, right? So the deep number two right here, right here. Okay, maybe we cannot study something new today. And like this took a long time. Okay, so we already know more about our other component. We fed this and we have the data from the order. We fed data exactly from this ID. And after we fed, we're gonna have all the information of that ID. Hitler is the only number one person that God can have. If you are quickness, nobody. Like you guys say, this is the old way to use router. Hmm. And this the new way. The difference is the new way we have the lockers, the built-in hook locker, error element, and the action. It's more easier to because if you use the old way, you have to manually do it by use effect and fetches outside. Wherever it's the you know what? Wherever the components on mouse, you have to use the use effect to fetch the data outside in the React component, right? So when you use the React router, you just need to use this built-in hook right here. Wherever you on this components, as you automate, it will load it's we call this function on mount, and this function will fetch the data, and we're gonna have the data which is we're gonna have the data and we use this. It's more easier. Then you use the effect right here, right? And the API we can put it in another file like this, so you guys can see that it's more convenient. Damn. Oh my god, just a little bit more when I use Tailwind. Say this. Do you have any tip? Okay, since we're done today, I need to post some clips on my TikTok, by the way. Mm. Okay, you guys, today's not effective, but you know what? Every single day you need to show up, no matter what. I'll see you guys next day.